new video. If you're new here, comment, like, and subscribe. So today, guys, we are doing a video in collaboration with Funcid, y'all. Faith received the UTV, and we're going to show you guys all the features, all the functions, and what it does. So let's get into it, guys.
This truck can be like a Nissan car because when it like drive, you don't have to put your hands on it. Because
it goes with the remote control, and a driver does not have to be in the car. Okay, so
what?
Okay, guys, so we're gonna show you the function.
Right.
These are the lights. You flick it on, so it's like flashy, really cute. We have the big wheels, y'all. Check out the wheels on this, y'all. The wheels are like really big, y'all. Okay, so we also have a radio inside, which is really cool. You turn it on like that. It plays music. This is the volume. Okay, so that's the motor, guys. Turn the music on. So it has a radio there. It also has Bluetooth, guys. Okay, guys, the power on this thing is so powerful. So we're gonna see if she can make it up this steep hill, y'all. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa!
Can I go back?
She did it, y'all.
I'm gonna try to go back this hill.
All right, you're gonna try to back out.
Okay.
First of all, you have your door open. Your door is open.
Okay.
And she's trying to back out.
Wish me luck.
Wish your luck, guys. She's gonna back up. Go slow.
Oh yeah, yeah. You think I'm biased to my significant other? You hit it right on the head. Only been missing my lover. Got a phone that I text in my phone and it don't reply. The lips they pop that you lie. Oh, that makes me.
I'm gonna try to go.
Yeah. Ain't worried about nobody else. Ain't you on myself? You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. The guys out the car, it won't drive. So I feel when you're not by my side. So I wake up in the morning and up under you, and only you. Oh, grateful for your existence. Faithful no matter the distance. You're the only girl I see. From the bottom of my heart, please believe. Oh, that matters to me. Yeah, yeah. Worried about nobody else. If I ain't you, I'm with myself. You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Yeah, yeah. What's a king, babe, without a queen? There ain't no hiding. You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. You're all that matters to me.
Hey, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Funcid, thank you so much for sending this truck.
And this was fun. I'm gonna keep on driving it. Anyway.
So on that note, what you about to do, girl?
I'm about to drive this and see you later, alligator.
Bye.